Yay!
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are playing don't touch the button for
with Nico and me.
you
If you
go.
don't know my name, then you're pitiful.
Yeah. Also, I got this a dev crown, which is pretty.
Oh my god. Yeah, we could have given the dev crown. He could have given the dev crown to all of us, but it looked like a scam, so we decided we didn't want it. Now, John, how about you tell us what the right door was? Never mind.
No.
I pressed it. Oh no, we're playing Crossy Road now. Hey, I don't like playing
At the end
mobile
of
games. Actually, no, I do.
Hey guys, I've always wanted to make a video on something like this, but I want to make a video on Henry Stickman and Fun with Ragdolls sometime.
Haven't we already done Henry Stickman? Oh, hey, see Smooth.
Hey.
We have him muted because we have him muted due to technical difficulties, but he's here. Due to revenge plans. Oh, I'm already dead because I was the one who pressed the button, so I stepped on a laser the second I was
Guys,
there.
should I buy the portal gun?
Don't. If anything, you should buy a speed coil. Bet. You won't buy a speed coil. You won't.
Where is it? Where is it?
Game passes. You won't buy a speed coil. You won't.
Do you want me to?
You're too chicken. You're too chicken.
You're trying to make me waste my Robux.
I am.
Okay.
I indeed am.
I can't buy it. It's broken.
Hey guys, guess who's the button presser?
Guys, I'm about to. No. Also,
but guess who's the button presser? What was that? Coley just got smited. Coley keeps getting smited. Oh my!
I will get my revenge for your help you kidnap me. Okay, bro. Coley, you're about to get demonetized. Stop saying that. Don't worry, he's all fine. Tapes his mouth.
Did you mute him or not?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Oh wait, he said kidnapped.
Oh god.
Nothing to see here. Okay, Floodscape.
Also, we need an editor.
Yeah, no, you need an editor. There is an editing class. On June, there's this class where I can learn to edit YouTube videos, and I could start editing your videos if I learn how to. If I do the editing class, though, I'm probably going to make my own channel, which is my dream.
I sort of know how to edit, but it's not. It's only
like are you guys dead? Bro, you guys suck. You guys suck. I'm looking at John's screen share. You guys suck.
Oh. Okay, no need to rub it in, Mr. Funny Boy. No. Who was it? No. He was trying to murder me. Goodbye. Why is he just running?
Woo.
Come on, I'm Sonic. I'm Sonic the Fat Hog. No questions. See you later. You're wondering, how is the server empty? Guess what? I had Robux.
Hey John, go look at the chat. Go look at the chat.
Sorry. No other reasons.
Big brain. I want to be bigger brain. Bigger brain.
Yes. Look at how queen. Ew, it wasn't that Roblox face.
I've checked it.
Yes. Haha, you're
Check
normal.
it out. Check out how big my brain is.
Wow,
So
let me just look inside there real quick.
It's so big that I lost my mushrooms.
I feel like if I was gonna edit that, I would probably put a demon in there or a little peanut.
Oh, press the button. I'll be the button presser.
No! Nico, what'd you do to us? We look beautiful. Now we
I'm a big brain dino.
We're all big brain. What the heck is happening? My legs. Oh no! Wait, how we all win? Get ready. Oh no! Oh god! No! We used to rat these babies for miles. That I feel like making someone.
We won.
Oh god! Let me press it. Yes.
Me.
No. and got. I don't
wanna
even
be
think
big
he
brain.
decided to exist.
I'm now big brain. We're in space.
Where-
I can tell.
I'm going to go jump back to the map. See you later, skaters. Da 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 da. No, no, no! I take it back. No. What if actually there was no death, so we just kept on floating? Okay, no, no, it's my button. Yes, yes, look, I have a rainbow trail. This is beautiful. Gotta get my chalky milk.
Look at chat! Don't put away chat, that's the only way I can communicate.
Well, actually, I had to block you out because, yes.
No.
I said yes.
If you don't trash talk, will you not put me away?
Okay, I'm gonna buy this, why not? Actually, I'm not chicken.
What is the point of
What?
this?
Why is this making me slower? Wait. This is
Yes.
so slow. I hope I get
Of course
I regret my decision. I wanted to know how fast I could go. Was I really going to become Sonic? Oh god, oh god, oh god. No! Wait. Yeah,
What?
here, who wants my speed coil if I could drop it? Wee.
Me.
Okay, I'm gonna win. I have a speed coil. What the? I don't. The ramps don't make you fast.
Stop hogging the ramps.
Ramps make you slower, you know.
No, they don't.
Well, you start the race very slow. You're the last dino. No. Here, want some chalky milk? You know you're supposed to go on the ramps? Yes, take it. What? Am I supposed to be feeling uncomfortable? Also,
That
isn't
dance is like 1,000 Robux.
Yeah, why did I know you around town? Yeah, you wasted your Robux. Robux.
Me. Oh, no.
Watch out. Nico, what did you curse upon us? Now we must climb to the top. Yes, it's my turn. It's my time.
No.
What is happening? Help me. Yes, let me press. Oh no! I'm going to be the fastest thing on the earth. That didn't give birth. Wee. How did you shoot me? How did you? I wish I was a rich Robux boy. But the truth is,
Me.
Nico, why do you keep on giving us this curse?
I want to be bigger brain. Not enough.
How do you become bigger brain?
Which is brain.
What is this? I'm doing two at once. Oh, it glitched into my hands. No. See you later, skater. Hey, Minecraft gamer. How much have you gotten, lamer? Let me just add this quick disclaimer.
How are you still alive?
Because I will survive. I will survive. I will survive. I'm the last big brain on this planet. Let me just waste up all your blocks, by the way. I'm going to murder us.
You can't jump? What kind of attack
What?
is that?
What? I literally ran in the lava blocks, but how come I am not dying? This is the questions of life.
The only reason I lost is because you can't jump.
Yeah, literally, I can't jump. What is this?
Also, Chloe, I sort of want to mute you for saying that. because you're singing that.
Watch out for those mines. Watch out for my big brain. I'm Jimmy Neutron, homeboy. You shall never outclick me. Grr. No, you're blocking the button. Nico. No. No. Okay, are we actually supposed to step on the mines or something? Good job. Haha, I did it. And I curse this upon us.
Actually, no, we didn't need a human sacrifice because I already blew up myself with a mine.
Actually, only Coil Boys are winners.
We're all winners.
No.
You fell as well, Foley.
See, the coils still remain. My brain is thinking 5 seconds into the future, and actually, in my time, I think you're an idiot. Nico, what'd you do? Nico, what'd you do? What'd you do? I'm scared. I'm scared to touch it. Oh no. Oh no, Jimmy Neutron! No! No! Boy genius! I literally want to buy the portal gun so badly. Like,
Coley, if you're muted, then he can't hear you.
Oh no. Oh no. No! That was so close. I'm such a huge target. How have you not hit me yet? Oh god.
John, unmute. Cody wants you to keep you muted.
Wait, why would Coley want me to keep him muted?
You died! You killed yourself!
What did I do to this world? I think I just time stopped. I just went, Zawaldo! Yes, give me knowledge. Yeah, how do I think I got the hat. I don't see it. How do you get the, oh wait, I'm wearing it. My head's still, quickly, get to the top. Okay. Okay, Mom. But Mom, I want to be a pro Fortnite gamer.
No,
how long is
actually
this video?
no
13
collision, it's just
minutes?
him.
No editor.
I'm the shortest one. I am short.
Shorty. How? You can finally see my head. Oh wait, event's been happening. Oh, I just. Jimmy Neutron, let's stand in one big prophecy circle. We must stand next to each other. You can come back immediately. Why do I feel like I need to be... I'm your new sacrifice. Come here, Jimmy Neutron. He's hiding. Come on! What? Nani?
Guys, get the ball. My ball.
Haha, I'm going to kick it up. I got your ball. Wee, I kicked it. Wee, gravity coil. Let me just drink. That is going in my...
I got my ball back!
How? Only Mr. Beast could do that.
I'm going good.
Okay, we're gonna end video now. Okay, please do like and subscribe. And don't be an idiot. And yeah, goodbye.